to your AutoCount backend and log in, either by this icon or this icon. Once you log in, then go to the Tools and select Program Control, then click on Module Setting. Then from here, then this is your package, which is Express Plus Edition, and this is a module that I have ticked, and this is an additional module for this edition. So it shows that I have 3 full access of the network user, and I've selected for the post module also. If you are not sure, you can screenshot and send it to us. Other than this, go to the Help, click, and just click About AutoCount. Just click here. Then you also can screenshot. So from here it tells that your version. That's all for today. Thank you.
So cari post system, cari Seng.
Find Guinness Post, find Seng.
Sa post system, sa Seng.